Imagine yourself in this cheap 2020 Renegade Latitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li 40 EVAT MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, connectivity, bridge solution, Stingray clear coat, black premium cloth bucket seats, global telematics box module, TBM, tires, 215/60R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, and engine, 2.4 Li 40 EVAT MAIR, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our